In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Beehiiv. We'll go from a blank starting point to a polished, on-brand page you can publish right away, all inside Beehiiv's website builder. Start by heading to app.beehiiv.com and signing into your account. From the left-hand navigation, open Website to access your site settings, then choose Builder to launch the visual editor. At the top, switch your template and select the link in bio layout. This is perfect for a focused landing page that collects subscribers and routes visitors to your most important links. Click Next to confirm the choice. You'll now see available templates. Pick one that matches your brand's vibe. You can always change it later. Click Next, and you'll move into customization. Begin with background images. Upload your own or choose from your library, and make sure the subject is clear and the image is optimized for fast loading. When that looks good, click Next. Update your color palette. Choose a primary and secondary color that align with your brand and ensure strong contrast for readability, especially for text on buttons or over images. Click Next to fine-tune typography. Select a clean, legible pairing for headings and body text. If you're not sure what works, try the font combination presets to quickly lock in a professional look. When you're satisfied, click Next. Add your social links by pasting the URLs for the platforms you actually use and disable any you don't. Set them to open in a new tab to keep visitors on your page. Click Next to add button links. These are your calls to action. Think, join the newsletter, get the guide, or book a demo. Use short, action-oriented labels and link each button to the correct destination. Click Next once more. Use the review step to scan through your selections. Confirm your chosen template, such as a spaceship style and theme settings, and preview on both desktop and mobile. When everything checks out, click Start Building. You can publish now to go live immediately, or explore the editor and publish later if you want to tweak copy and layout first. Click Continue to proceed. Inside the editor, you'll see your pages. Default pages come pre-configured for common needs, while dynamic pages automatically populate content like posts or archives. For anything bespoke, open custom pages to create standalone pages such as a thank you or resources page. When you're ready, click Publish to Live Site. Before you wrap, double-check your headline clarity, test every link, and preview on mobile. That's it. Your Beehiiv landing page is live and ready to convert.